Hi guys, so we got Battle Marley Lane level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Nathan ARF. Oh wow, I love the way when they clip like that. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Here we are at Newhaven Beach Road level crossing in East Sussex with Joe Thorpe. Oh my god. What the... Hi guys, so we are at Berwick Station level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting.
Oh, listen.
It's that one over there.
It's that one over there.
I guess we have no choice but to stay for two.
That alarm's really loud.
There we go, 7-4 to Orr, and up they go. Here we are at Pevensey Sluice level crossing in East Sussex with Joe Nathan ARF and Southern Train Spotting. Listen. Hi guys, so we are at Cooksbridge Station level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting. Goodness. There you go. Hi guys, so we are at Crowhurst Bridge level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Nathan ARF. Oh, up they go. Here we are at East Guldeford level crossing in East Sussex with Joe Thorpe. The time 232 Ashford. Hi guys, so we are at Etchingham Station level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Nathan ARF. Hello. You're not filming this? Oh yeah, you are.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, that was close to hitting the floor.
This one is.
That one doesn't work.
Doesn't it?
No. Up they go. Hi guys, so we are at Hampden Park Station level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting. Nice alarms. There we go, on 725 to Ashford International, and they go. Goes up quite early, doesn't it? Hi guys, so we are at Hamsey level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting. There we go, respawn, and up they go. Hi guys, so we are at Battle Road level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Nathan ARF. Did you?
Yeah.
they go. Hi guys, so we're at Newhaven town station, level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern train spotting.
Superman's very stingy here.
Not that loud.
Compared to Lincoln, though, it's not.
Here we go. Up they go. Hi guys, so we're at Newhaven Harbour Station, level crossing in East Sussex, Joe and Southern train spotting.
So they slope quite nicely, don't they?
Yeah, up they go. Let's go straight out. Here we are at Norman's Bay Station, level crossing in East Sussex with Joe, Southern train spotting and Nathan ARF.
That just touches.
17 to Orr. Here we are at Pevensey and West Ham Station, level crossing in East Sussex with Joe, Southern train spotting and Nathan ARF.
Have you got timetable? Yeah, I'll get it out. He was doing it. Go away, Snapchat.
It's for your 60.
Yeah, right.
Brighton. We're at Pevensey Bay Station, level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Nathan ARF and Southern train spotting.
It's not broken. It's bad. It's like bad. That's bad.
Timer, a little small timer on it.
I mean, that's what the other one doesn't bad.
Doesn't. What?
Really?
It nearly does. 73 to Brighton. Well, that goes up early, that does.
Look at this barrel, look.
Here we are at Plumpton Station, level crossing in East Sussex with Joe, UK level crossing channel and train level 123. Hi guys, so we're at Polegate Station, level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern train spotting. That's a nice alarm. Loudest MCBOD I've heard. Timer. There it's in London Victoria and up they go. Here we are at Portslade Station, level crossing in East Sussex with Joe, UK level crossings channel and train level 123. Hi guys, so we're at Rye level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern train spotting. I heard it and I can see it. Devon 1730 to Ashford, to Brighton, and up they go. Hi guys, so we're at Riverhall level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Nathan ARF.
It's a lot quieter than Battle Road.
It is. Yeah, up they go. Hi guys, so we are at Robertsbridge station level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Nathan ARF. There we go. Up they go. Hi guys, so we are at Rye Ferry Road level crossing in East Sussex with Joe, Adam and Nathan ARF. Misuse. Oh yeah. There we go. Hastings and Eastbourne and Lewis, and up they go. Motorised. Hi guys, so we got Rye Grove Road level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Adam and Nathan ARF. That one over there sounds even weirder.
It might go up because your train's expected at 1743.
Oh. Up they go. Hi guys, so we are at Selmerston level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern train spotting. Seven 417 377 145 to East London Victoria, and up they go. Hi guys, so we are at Pathum Lane level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern train spotting. There we go. Up they go. That's... Here we are at Star level crossing in East Sussex with Joe Thorpe. Hi guys, so we're at Wilmington level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern train spotting. They turn and up they go. Here we are at Winchelsea station level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Riley Hawks under the name of Claire Hawks. Channel name. 171723 to Brighton.